Welcome back to another video, you guys. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be deep cleaning the master bathroom, so let's go ahead and jump right in.
You make all my dreams come true. It feels right.
There's one change that I absolutely want to make in our bathroom. It is such a good bathroom. It's beautiful, it's big, it's just missing one thing, and it's a bigger vanity. Once we start getting ready in the morning and we put our stuff out on the counter, it just looks so full because the counter space is so small. So I told my husband we have room for a bigger vanity, and I hope that we can get that done very soon.
Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
I saw another YouTuber using one of these scrubby things, and she said that she had gotten it from, I think it was Walmart. So I went to Walmart and I got myself one, and I put in my soap, and it is the best thing because it just releases a little bit of the soap, but look how much it foams and it cleans so well, and I just love it. But I couldn't use it in like the whole shower. Obviously my arm would just fall off, but like small areas it was great to use.
I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting.
Once I got into the smaller spaces and scrubbed them very well, I wanted to use my Violeta scrub. It's a shower mop, I think that's what it's called, and I've been using this for a long time and I love it. I just like that I don't have to like kill my back. It extends, so I think I've talked about this little scrubby thing in previous videos, but I really do like it. It does such a good job. And as you can see, Logan is my helper, and he's just taking out all his bath toys. The kids can't take a bath in their bathroom because we don't have a tub in there, which I really wish they did. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait until they can take showers, and then they'll be able to use their own bathroom full time.
Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy.
I also wish that we had an extendable shower head. That way I can rinse off the shower easily, but as you can see I had to use the little cup, and I was getting splashed, but I hope we can change that as well. Just minor changes in the bathroom, but other than that, definitely the vanity is my priority.
It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you got a little bit of motivation out of it. So if you did, give this video a thumbs up And if you are new and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so and hit that red subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, stay blessed.
I miss your body and I love